Hi, come unbox with me my new iMac. So I've had this PC for a while now, probably at least 5 years, maybe more. And it's been great, but it's starting to slow down and the keyboard's not working completely because I have just pounded it to death as I write novels. And then I hook it up with a keyboard and a mouse, and so right now I just needed a new setup, especially as I have gotten more into filming videos for YouTube. And that way I could edit my videos so much quicker and I don't have my computer freezing up. So I went to the Apple Store and I got myself a new iMac. It's a desktop. I haven't owned a desktop in so long, probably since my kids were little, and that's probably been at least a decade or two. And so it was fun to check them out. They just came out a couple days ago. You're watching this in November of 2023. And so I wanted to find out more about it. And after weighing my options, deciding to go with either a desktop computer or a MacBook Pro for twice as much money, I decided I would just go with the iMac. That way I could just keep it on my computer and then I could just walk away for the day and not be tethered to my computer. I do have another laptop, a MacBook Air, that I travel around with. It's a refurbished one, and so it works great for my needs then. But when I'm serious about editing or just wanting to get some work done, I decided I would give the iMac a shot. So let's unbox. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of heavy, but not so heavy that I couldn't work on it myself. So here's the monitor. It smells good. This is the hard drive. So little. So here's a cool thing. Here's the port for the power. And it just snaps right back here. So one of the cool things about this is just how clean everything is. There's not a lot of extra stuff. And I love that it goes with my white aesthetic on my desk. So I'm setting it up right now and it's pretty exciting. I'm gonna have to give an updated report sometime. If you want to watch more videos of the author life, be sure to like and subscribe.